Hello everyone, my name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, but I believe that you guys know that already. And this is Hey Bartender. So today we're gonna have a really interesting class for you guys to make a couple gin cocktails at home. We were just doing some cocktails and this is actually really good. But we're not talking about this cocktail today. We're talking about two gin cocktails, you guys. We're gonna put to the challenge. The last word versus the aviation. Please tell me what you think about it and just hang out. Let me show you how to pour these guys. So, the aviation, obviously, we're gonna use the aviation gin. But we're gonna make a little funny twist that I was just thinking about it. Obviously, I don't have the creme yvette or creme de violette. Like I said, I mean, sometimes I just hate to buy stuff that I'm gonna use half of an ounce and never touch it again in my life. It's a waste of time. It is a waste of space. It's a waste of money until you really need it. So we have to improve it. You remember the little butterfly PT? Well, I'm finalizing my infusion of the aviation gin, and I'm pretty sure that this guy is gonna come up with a color that I desire. So let's let it sit for a couple more minutes while we're doing the last word. So this is a really fun cocktail that I was making it at work the other day, and I have a little taste, and it's just absolutely delicious. Very simple to make, and really easy ingredients. So we're gonna go for your shaker. You're gonna put some ice. Let's go for 3/4 of an ounce of gin of your preference, or aviation gin, of course. Green chartreuse, my last 3/4. Exactly 3/4. That's awesome. You're gonna go for 3/4 of maraschino liqueur, or this one is Kirsch. It's gonna do it, or Luxardo maraschino liqueur. That's gonna be good for you guys. Either one you have at home. 3/4, that'll be perfect. And we're gonna go for 3/4 of lime juice. Let's cover it up and give it a good shake. Let's make a fine strain just to catch all those ice chips. I guess we'll do the trick. We have our first gin cocktail. Let's go for the aviation. Basically, same ingredients except for the green chartreuse. Let's put some ice. We're gonna go for 2 ounces of butterfly pea infused gin. But if you want to, just go for half of an ounce and a half of gin and add 1/4 of an ounce of creme yvette, creme de violette, or whatever violet cream that you want. Okay, we're gonna go for 3/4 of lemon juice. And let's go for 3/4 of your maraschino liqueur, or Luxardo. So the cool thing is that this cocktail has some lemon juice, and because of that, the pH works against the actual tea. So you're gonna end up with a lovely purplish color. Like I said, butterfly PT or creme yvette, creme de violette. How long do you need to infuse it? It's been 5 minutes. And this is a color that you have. A beautiful, kind of like electric blue gin. Obviously, Don't let it saturate it too much, but double strain, and you will have your cocktails. So time to garnish. It's either or. You can put your cherry or a nice fancy lemon peel. The Aviation, and the last word. Make it at home, put it to the test. Let me know your thoughts. Cheers, everyone. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you drink, don't drive. And cut. All right, you guys, one of the things that production and I were really proud of is that when we make the cocktail, we want to make sure that actually the cocktail tastes really good. Believe it or not, if you haven't seen me sometimes just like drinking the cocktail, it's because, I've been drinking a few of them, or there's something that I don't like about the cocktail, but that doesn't mean that the cocktail is not good. So we give it a taste, and they are really tasty. However, they need a little bit of sweetness on it. So they're my favorite. Excuse me. Please add half of an ounce of simple syrup in each one of the cocktails. And now probably you're gonna understand why us bartenders, we always behind the bar we do this. Voila. Half of an ounce of simple syrup, and just brings your cocktail to a perfect flavor. Cheers, everyone. See you next time.